This is how we write code to set properties instead of using the properties window. The reason is, as I mentioned earlier, it's not working properly. I'll show you in the properties window. To recap, if we set the use system password char property to true, through the properties window, it won't work. This applies only to some properties. Therefore, we need to use code to achieve this. Once done, save all changes and test the project by clicking Start. Go to the server settings page. Try typing some text. Can you see it? It appears as a password symbol now. Now, I'll test typing text in each text box. Once done, press the Tab key on the keyboard. If pressing Tab moves the cursor to the next control, it means it works properly. I'll test it again to make sure the program works correctly. If it doesn't meet the requirements, we can make additional settings. First, select a control and then set the tab index sequence consecutively. The numbers shouldn't be repeated, for instance, 18, 19, 20, 21, and so on. Let me provide an example. Here's the sequence, 23 and 24, like this. When reaching the last sequence, the program loops back to the first tab index. Save it and test it again. Go to the server settings page and press Tab to check if the cursor moves correctly. Oh, it seems like we missed a sequence here. Let me check it again. Found it. We entered the sequence incorrectly. Here, 24 should be 23. The Show button should be 24. And the Save Settings button should be 25. Let's test the project again. Go to the server settings page as before and press Tab again. Sometimes, designing forms requires attention to detail. We might need to test several times. This is to ensure the program works efficiently and is user-friendly. Okay, that's all for this lecture. We'll continue with the next lecture. Thank you very much.